Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing what is Web 3.0. Web 3.0 is the third generation of the evolution of web technologies. In Web 3.0, individual governs section of the Internet. The web, also known as the World Wide Web, is the foundation layer for how the Internet is used, providing website and application services. In Web 3.0, every company will be run by a group called a decentralized autonomous organization. Now the question arises is, what is DAO? DAO means that there will be no CEOs, and no presidents to rule. Changes can be made through voting only. Those who get the most tokens decide how the company changes. One of the biggest things in Web 3.0 is your digital identity is not 100% connected to the real world. This means that I can view pages and make purchases without being traced with the real me. Now we will explain the 4 key features of Web 3.0. Decentralization. This means that individuals themselves own and govern sections of the Internet. Trustfulness and permissionless. Both users and suppliers can participate without authorization from a governing body. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. The computer will be able to understand information similarly to humans through technologies. Connectivity and ubiquity. The information and content are more connected and ubiquitous, accessed by multiple applications and with an increasing number of everyday devices connected to the web.